Hi friends, this video shows how to access a list element. How to access a list element. Okay, for example, we are taking the list name list1 and initializing the list with the values 1, 2, square bracket, then initialize with 1, 5, 7, 8, 9, 5, 0. Okay. Now the list contains the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements, and the indexing of this list starts from the 0. Here the zeroth element is 3, then first element is 5, then second index, the 7 has a second index, then third indexed element is 8, and so on. And here for accessing the first element, that is the zeroth index, list 1 of 0, we are using 0 index for accessing the element 3. Now 3 will be the output. Then for list 1 of -1, we will get the result 0. That is, from the negative values, the list is in the inverted direction. -1th index is 0, then -2 is 9, like that. List 1 of -2 will be 9. Sorry, here list 1, we missed the 1 here. List 1 -2 is 9. Here the 9 is the output, and then -1, -2, -3, and so on. In this direction we are giving the index -1, and from here we are start with the index 0. Zeroth element is 3. Therefore list 1 of 0 is 3. And if we want the element 7, then count it from 0, 0, 1, 2. The list 2 will be 7. Sorry, again list 1 of 2. Our list name is list 1. 7 is the output. Hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.